Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best first aid kit car is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for any vehicle owner, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected injuries or emergencies on the road, whether it's a minor scrape during a road trip or a more serious situation that requires immediate attention before professional help arrives, making it a crucial investment for peace of mind and safety for you and your passengers. Number 5. Protect Life Survival First Aid Kit. Introducing the Protect Life Survival First Aid Kit, your go-to solution for emergencies. It's designed for both home and business, ensuring you're prepared for anything. This mini travel kit is perfect for on-the-go needs. Its compact size makes it ideal for camping, car journeys, or any outdoor adventure. Don't let its size fool you, this pack contains 200 essential items. It covers a wide range of potential emergencies, providing peace of mind. Whether at home, in the office, or exploring the great outdoors, this kit is a reliable source of aid. It's designed for quick and effective response. Ensure your safety and the safety of those around you with this comprehensive survival pack. It's the smart choice for preparedness. What we like. This kit offers the most comprehensive set of supplies, making it ideal for both home and business emergencies. Its compact design also ensures it fits easily in your car. If you need maximum preparedness for various situations, this is the one to choose. What people say. The kit is compact and fits easily in the glove compartment. It includes a good variety of essential items for minor injuries. The bandages are high quality and stay on well. Number 4. Protect Life First Aid Kit. Introducing the Protect Life First Aid Kit, your go-to solution for unexpected emergencies. It's designed to be compact and comprehensive, ensuring you're prepared wherever life takes you. Whether you're heading out on a road trip, camping in the wilderness, or simply need a reliable kit for your home or office, this kit has you covered. Its 100 pieces offer versatile solutions for various situations. Don't let its compact size fool you. This emergency preparedness starter kit is packed with everything you need to handle minor injuries and urgent situations. It's easy to store and readily accessible. Travel with confidence knowing that essential first aid is within reach. This kit provides peace of mind for you and your loved ones, no matter the destination. Trust in its quality and comprehensive contents to provide effective care when it matters most. It's the smart choice for proactive safety and well-being. What we like. This option is a compact and portable starter kit, perfect for keeping in your car or taking on the go. With 100 essential pieces, it covers basic needs effectively. If you are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-carry option for everyday preparedness, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit is well organized and easy to navigate, with clearly labeled compartments for different types of supplies. It includes a comprehensive range of essential items, from bandages and gauze to antiseptic wipes and pain relievers, making it suitable for various minor injuries. The compact and durable case is designed to fit easily in a car's trunk or glove compartment without taking up too much space. Number 3. Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. Introducing the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit, your all-in-one solution for emergencies. It's designed to be ready for any situation, whether at home, in the car, or on the go. This innovative kit features a main large hard case and a bonus mini kit. This dual design ensures you have the right supplies readily accessible for any medical need. With a total of 348 pieces, this kit is fully stocked to handle a wide range of injuries and medical situations. You'll find everything you need for effective first aid. Perfect for your car, travel adventures, home, or even business. It's also ideal for survival, camping, and outdoor activities, providing peace of mind wherever you are. Rest assured, this kit is FSA and HSA eligible. This makes it a convenient and practical choice for managing your health expenses. The large, durable hard case protects all the contents, keeping them organized and secure. It's built to withstand various conditions, ensuring reliability when you need it most. What we like. This product provides a unique 2-in-1 system, offering a large main kit and a bonus mini kit for added convenience. It's also FSA and HSA eligible, which is a significant benefit for many. If you appreciate the flexibility of having a primary and secondary kit, and want tax-advantaged purchasing, this is an excellent selection. What people say. This first aid kit is very comprehensive and includes all the essentials for minor injuries. The compact design makes it easy to store in the car without taking up too much space. It comes with clear instructions for each item, which is helpful in an emergency. Number 2. General Medi 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. Introducing the General Medi 2-in-1 First Aid Kit, your complete solution for unexpected injuries. It offers extensive supplies for various situations. This set includes a large 215-piece kit and a convenient 43-piece mini kit. You get 2 essential kits designed for different needs. It comes equipped with vital items like an ice pack for swelling, moleskin for blisters, and an emergency blanket for warmth. These are crucial for immediate care. Whether you're traveling, at home, or in the office, this kit is your reliable companion. It's designed for portability and accessibility wherever you are. Ensure you're ready for any situation with this versatile first aid solution. It's ideal for your car, workplace, or any personal space. What we like. This kit stands out with its inclusion of a cold pack, moleskin pad, and an emergency blanket, along with a bonus mini kit. It offers a total of 215 pieces for comprehensive care. If you often deal with minor injuries that benefit from immediate cold therapy or need a well-rounded set for travel and home, this is a highly suitable option. What people say. This first aid kit is well organized with clearly labeled compartments, making it easy to find what you need quickly in an emergency. The kit includes a comprehensive range of essential supplies, covering common injuries and emergencies you might encounter on the road. Its compact and durable design makes it ideal for storing in a car without taking up too much space, and it seems built to withstand typical vehicle conditions. Number 1. AMORNING 276 PCS First Aid Kit. Introducing the AMORNING 276 PCS First Aid Kit, your go-to for emergencies. It's designed for home, car, camping, and outdoor adventures. This kit comes in a small, compact, and lovely bag, making it easy to carry anywhere. It's perfect for school, outdoor activities, and travel. Be prepared for any situation with this basic survival kit. It contains all the essentials you need for unexpected events. Whether it's a minor cut at home or an emergency during a hike, this kit has you covered. It's a must-have for any travel or outdoor enthusiast. Trust in its comprehensive supplies for any basic emergency. It ensures you have the right tools when you need them most. What we like. With a substantial 276 pieces, this kit is designed for comprehensive emergency coverage in a small, attractive bag. It focuses on providing basic survival essentials for various outdoor activities. If you like a kit that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, and prioritize a high number of items for home, car, or camping, this is a strong contender. What people say. The kit is well organized with clearly labeled compartments, making it easy to find what you need in an emergency. It includes a comprehensive range of essential items, from bandages and gauze to antiseptic wipes and pain relievers. The compact and durable case is designed to fit easily in a car's trunk or glove compartment without taking up too much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.